Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna learn about installation of the Python, PyCharm and the required packages for the FastAPI. So let's see. First you need to install Python and PyCharm. So you can install Python and PyCharm. You can watch the video. So Python Charm installation. So you can watch any of this video, and using these videos you can install Python and PyCharm. Once you install Python and PyCharm, what you will do, you will be creating the folder. So as I can show you, I already have one folder which is, let me see, where is that, where is there, I think this is, and I'm creating folder, again one folder which is like create new folder, and name would be FastAPI. Okay, so once you created this folder, what you can do is that you can open this folder in the PyCharm. So once you create it, you just have to click right, and after clicking right you can see the show more options, and using that you can open folder as PyCharm project. So it will be opening PyCharm so that we can run our project very smoothly over there. It's loading, you just have to click on trust. Okay, yes. So here is our FastAPI folder, and in that folder we will have to create first the virtual environment. So here we can see the terminal. Once we click on this, it will open the terminal, and in the terminal we can create the virtual environment. But before this we can check the Python version. So using Python hyphen version, you can check the version. So here my Python version is 3.12. so on your machine it can be different, as whatever you have downloaded, those Python version, or whatever the version you have downloaded, that will be showing here. Okay, so once you get to know about the version, means that you have installed Python successfully. After that we will be creating the virtual environment. So why we create virtual environment is that to keep our project installation packages separate. So that's why we create the Python virtual environment, so for this project. So Python -m and env, then the name of the virtual environment. So it can be anything, but I'm keeping it venv. Okay, so it will create one folder. Actually it will be the virtual environment. So you can see here it has created virtual VNV folder, and to activate that virtual environment we have to run a command env, then script, then activate. Okay, once uh, you can see this VNV here, that virtual environment whatever we have created, that means that our virtual environment has been activated. Now you can install the FastAPI in this virtual environment. So we'll be installing FastAPI and Uvicorn. So FastAPI is the framework, and the Uvicorn is the ASCII server to run the FastAPI. So let's install that. Pip install FastAPI and Uvicorn. Okay. Once we are installing, it will be collecting all the packages and all to our virtual environment. Okay, so to see the installed package, you can hit the command which is pip fr double e pip feeds. So you can see the install packages. So maybe you mean, okay, we it was wrong, or spell is mistaken. So pip theory, so it will show us the what it has installed in our virtual environment. So these are the packages it has been installed in our virtual environment. Now what we can do, we can create uh, one API using FastAPI. So here is the main file already we have. If you don't have, then you should create. uh, let let me delete this one, and we will be creating from very scratch. It is the delete, here is the delete button. Okay, okay, we have deleted this one. Now we will be creating main file using Python. Okay, so main, once you created this file, okay, so here we have created the main file. But before writing the code, we should activate here the path of the that installed packages. So now we have to add the interpreter here, add new interpreter. So whatever we have interpreter means virtual environment created, we should provide the path of that. So select existing, and in existing you can see we don't have to go here, we just have to desktop, wherever our project was, go there. Means here is our VNV file, so we should go there. In the YouTube we have created the FastAPI. In the FastAPI we have VNV, and in this we have the scripts. Just select that, and in this script we have Python file. This application we need to select and click on open. Once we have selected this, you need to just click on this OK. Means that we are activating this VNV, means virtual environment, for our code base access as well. So whatever we will be writing, that should accept here. So start the writing our first program. So we will have to import the FastAPI from FastAPI module. We have to import FastAPI class. Import FastAPI. Now what we have to do, we have to create the instance of that FastAPI class. You can give any name, but recommended will be the app, then FastAPI. Okay, and after that we have to create the API. So using the decorator we can create the API. So I will be explaining this code as well. So at the rate whatever instance you have created, you just have to get here dot get, then the path of the API. So we are giving the empty path here, and under that we have to create the function. So you can create the functions with async or without async also. For simplicity we are creating the without async. Read root or hello world. Hello. And in this function we will be returning something with the message return, and in the dictionary we just have to return the message the word, and come to the software engineering YouTube channel. Okay, so we have created this one. Just save it, and we have to run the command to run our server. So that will be Uvicorn main app and happen. So Uvicorn is like to start our Uvicorn server, we just have to start with the Uvicorn word keyword, and then main is the file name, and the app is the instance of the FastAPI, and this reload will be reloading our applications whenever there will be the changes in our code. This is just for the development purpose. In the production we don't add this reload in the production, but for the learning purpose or in the development environment you can hit this command. So once you are hitting this command, it should run and start the server. So it has started the server on this URL. uh, which is the local host, and the port is 8000. So we can open this. Okay, so here it has shown us the message which is hello world and welcome to the software engineering. So if we want to get the docs, then like Swagger kind of UI, then we should click like add, means after this port forward slash then docs, enter. So here it is the UI, means the Swagger kind of UI you can see, and this is the best part of the FastAPI. So it provides like great UI to test your APIs. So we can test our API whatever we have written here. Okay, you just have to click try it out, and just as this is get API, then we don't have to do anything. Actually we are not passing any parameter or a body. So execute this one. Okay, so this has given the status code is 200, which means our code has been executed successfully, and the message is hello world and welcome to the software engineering team. Whatever we have written here, that same has been printed here. So means that we have successfully done our first API of the FastAPI. So congratulations, if you are here and you just executed this program, then that means you completed the first step. Thank you. And if you like this video, then you can like, share and subscribe, so that other people can learn a FastAPI very easily. And because I'm using the very basic English, and you will be learning this FastAPI course from very basic to advanced level, and I will be covering the real world applications, so that you will have the proper uh, you know industry knowledge, so that you can work in any project for the any company, or you can create your own project. So in the next video we will be working over the learning something different. So let's see. Thank you.